DJ Black Coffee goes back to school to study interior design. Decades after dropping out of school, DJ Black Coffee has been inspired to return to university to study interior design. Taking to Instagram, Black Coffee revealed that he was inspired by his eldest son, who is heading to university this year. Dropped out of school to take care of myself then my family, seeing my firstborn son finishing high school, getting ready for university and everything else he has achieved as a young man has filled my heart with so much joy and gratitude. Now I can go back studying this year. It's no secret that Black Coffee's hectic DJing schedule has him flying all across the globe, but he's determined to juggle both. Not sure how I'll manage with the touring ahead, but I'll give it my best shot. Here's to filling my cup.